Hey guys, quick video today as I'm coming to the end of this bathroom I'm in here. I just wanted to show you a bit of the theory behind my setting out as I get a few questions on it. This bathroom was pretty horrific when I started it. I'll have a few videos out on the sorting out this wall especially, and I'll have a video out on that niche over there just to give you guys some tips on that. So if I'm walking into this shower room, there's a big shower tray under here. First thing I'm looking at is I've got a toilet box in here, I've got a windowsill and a niche, bit of boxing up there, but they're the main kind of things. And as you can see on the plan on this one, it's actually half tiled over here on my laser line, so that really, whichever way I want other things to work out, is where the height has to be set out of, because you don't want to have like a half cut where it finishes. It needs to be a full tile, and as you can see these tiles are 1.2 by 600, so there's a little bit of play I can do on that, and you'll see here, I'll show you on the laser level line, and today I'm just using this LASGOO laser level which they kindly lent me for this job to try out. It's actually got quite a cool, I use a remote control, look at that. Let's put that on bright. So this is the line that I went for basically off the laser level. The theory behind it was, if I stuck at the boxing height here, which I could have done, the trim's obviously reversed with the thin side, so my tile would just come a centimetre so above it. That's fine, but on my niche over here, it would have brought this cut here down to about here, and as it's out of a whole tile, I knew that there's quite a high chance that it will break, so I wanted to make this bit as big as possible. So I looked at ways to raise it up a bit, the height of the bathroom, and then I came to the shower control and saw that it was roughly around that. So in the end I ended up taking the line off the top of the shower control, which then is over there, which is about 3 centimetres higher than this box in here. So this would be the height now that the bathroom finishes on. That obviously gave me a fine cut at the top and the bottom there. I think it's a little bit off a full tile down the bottom. And then all I do on here is just build this up with backerboard to this line, so everything finishes on the same level. And this will obviously have trim running through here, and across the top of this tile. And I think that bit maybe down around there. Yeah, just so it's all symmetric. So yeah, that was my kind of theory on that really. And then the wall set out for the tiles itself, that's obviously your main feature wall. I could have centered it down the middle and gone either side. They probably would have been, what's that, 75 centimetres a cut, something like that. But I thought I'd use as much of the tile up as possible, because I was always going to come a full tile off of this door frame here that's got trim to finish it at the moment. And then that looks like the tile continues round, which brings me on to this wall. And I took a full tile off of this window here, which I think that's just a bit off a full tile. Yeah, it was a little about 3 centimetres off, but it links onto that cut again to look like it's flying around. So by doing that, I've eliminated an L cut there, and that means I can just run straight up that line. And I've just got 2 L cuts here and here, which is always quite handy when you've got big tiles, especially when you've got cut valves and air vents out of them as well. And the only thing I did with this line is, as you can see on this window here, this was set back quite a bit, so I wanted to make it the same as this. So you'll see around here I've brought this tile out by quite a bit, so I'll put some more backerboard down the side of that to pack it out, and then both of these windows should be on the same line. Yeah, and all I've got left in this one now is just the toilet and the basin half height down there, and that's another one done. So I just want to give you a little insight there, guys, on my theory behind my setting out. And like I say, I'll have a video out on this niche and how I sorted out these terrible walls, as this is quite an old bathroom. I'll leave a link in the description for this laser level. It's quite cool. Look at the size of that box that it comes in, it's absolutely tiny. So you can actually put it in your rucksack if you wanted to. But it seems pretty good from what I've used it for so far. So the same with this little remote control here for your lines and all that. It's yeah, quite nifty. Cool. Right guys, I'll leave it there. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.